go deeper in this matter, I will explain the various departments of ship, including the deck department and engine department and other department. These are the explanation on the various department on ship, including the deck department, engine department, and other department typically found on the different types of ships. The deck department. So, belong in deck department is the captain. Captain is the highest ranking officer responsible for the overall operation on ship. Second is the deck officer. These officers include the ship officer, first officer, second officer, third officer, and others. They manage navigation, safety, and cargo operation. Third is the bosun. The bosun oversees maintenance and repairs on the deck as well as the crew responsible for this task. The fourth is the able seaman. They assist in deck operation, including handling, cargo navigation, and maintaining safety equipment. Ordinary seaman. Entry-level crew members who assist in the various deck duties. Sa engine department, chief engineer in charge of the ship engine department responsible for maintaining and operating the ship engines and machinery. Second is the assistant engineer. Assess the ship engineer and engine room operation and maintenance. The third is the oiler. They are responsible of lubricating the ship machinery. Fitters and electricians handle repairs and maintenance of mechanical and electrical system. The third is the wipers. Assist in maintaining cleanliness in the engine room. The other department varies on ship type. The first is the galley department. On passenger and some cargo ship, this department includes the head ship, cooks, and stewards responsible for food preparation and service. Second is the medical. For other department is found on large ships and includes a ship doctor or medical officers and medical staff for healthcare needs. Third is the pushers department. Manage finance, passenger service, and administrative tasks, including the pushers or chief pushers. The fourth is the security department. On some ships, security personnel are responsible for the safety and security of passengers and crew. Fifth is the entertainment department. On cruise ship, this department includes entertainers, activity directors, staff responsible for passengers' entertainment. Research department. On scientists, research vessels, scientists and researchers conduct experiment and study. It's important to note that specific departments and the rules may vary depending on the type of size of ship. Smaller vessels may have fewer specialized departments, while larger and more complex ships like cruise liners and research vessels will have a wider range of departments to ensure the smooth operation and vessels and comfort of passengers of the success of the missions. Ito ang kahalagahan batay sa nabanggit kanina. Ang deck department, engine department at iba pang mga special na departamento sa isang sasakyang dagat ay mahalaga para sa ligtas at mahusay na operasyon nito. Ang deck department ay nangasiwa sa nabigasyon, paghawak na kargamento at kaligtasan ng pasahero sa natinitiyak na pisikal na integridad at ligtas na pagdaan ng barko. Sa kabaligtaran, pinamamahalaan ng departamentong ang engine ang propulsion ng barko, pagbuo ng kuryente at mga mekanikal na sistema. Tinitiyak na manatiling gumagawa ang barko. Kasama na iba pang mga departamento tulad ng pagtustos ng pagkain at medikal, bumuo sila ng isang mahusay na koordinadong pangkat na nagsisiguro sa pagana ng barko, kaligtasan at kagalingan ng mga tripulante at pasahero nito na ginagawang kailangan ang bawat departamento para sa tuloy-tuloy na pagana ng isang sasakyang pangdagat.